Hello, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, my little sunshine, shining a light on ADHD as well as for those whom is struggling. So today topic is speech therapy at home. Speech therapy at home can be a great way to support your child speech and language development. So I'm going to tell you some easy way to promote speech therapy at home. But first of all, I would like to answer one comment which I get from one parent. So here is the question. So answer is, first you need to go to the developmental pediatric. They will check what is the issue, then they will refer for the neurologist. After few tests, neurologist will advise you if it is neurological disorder or other behavioral issue like autism or ADHD. But first of all, I'll advise you go to the developmental pediatric. They can guide you well. Thank you so much for your comment. Keep watching and keep sharing to help others. So now we will get back to our topic, speech therapy at home. So it's a very easy way or everyone can do like in easy way at home. You can start speech therapy for your child. You can promote so kids will enjoy as well as they will get benefits in their speech, in their language developmental. First, encourage conversation. Engage your child in conversation on a daily basis. This can include asking open-ended questions, sharing stories, playing games that involving talking. Next is reading books. Reading books together can help your child develop their language skills. But you need to choose book which is age appropriate, and you need to read the book aloud and encourage them to participate in the storytelling. Right? For example, I'm giving you my personal experience. Whenever my kids doing something wrong, I'm just giving them punishment. And what is the punishment? It is I'm just asking them. You need to tell me one story. Here is the I'm just giving them two or three object or prompts. For example, I'm giving one rabbit and one elephant, XYZ animal, and giving them one small house. Now you need to make one story and you have to tell me. So like that, it's they are thinking it's a punishment, but indirectly they are learning. So this is the way for the reading books and playing games. There are many games that can help promote speech and language development, such as I Spy and Simon Says. There are many games you can check on a Google. I'll just give you a small explanation. I spy, like for example, you will ask, I spy something red, can see my eyes. So he will check everywhere what is the object which is in a red color. So they will feel it's interesting, but you know indirectly what you are doing and what result you are going to get, right? And another game is Simon Says. Simon Says, what you will do, you will ask them, Simon says touch your eyes, Simon says touch your hands, Simon says touch your legs. If he'll say wrong, if he'll touch wrong body part or wrong object, so they will lose the game. There have so many games. I'm just giving you two examples of this type of play games, but that increase the language developmental and speech, so it's very helpful. Next is use visual aids. Visual aids means such as a picture flashcard can be helpful in teaching new vocabulary and concepts. You can create your own flashcards or you can use a flashcard which is available online. It's all up to you and according to your child. Next is practice articulation. Encourage your child to practice pronouncing words and sounds correctly. You can use mirror to help your child see how their mouth moves as they speak. So they will feel very interesting when they are going in front of the mirror and they will check. Whenever you will talk like mom, so they need to check their mouth. They will feel like I'm talking and my lips is moving. So it's very interesting activity to increase the speech and language development. Next is use technology. There are many type of apps and website that can be used to support speech and language development, and you can find out online. I'll just give you one example. Before few days I just checked that there is one game which is called talking tom or some angel, talking angel, something like that. There is a game, but I'm sure it is talking tom. So whenever child will say hello, then talking tom will also say hello. So this is the best application for the child, because indirect way they are learning. Okay, so you can use this type of application. But remember, it is very important to be patient and consistent when promoting speech therapy at home. Always keep celebrate your child progress and always encourage them for, like, they are just participating. For this also you can encourage them, like, you just did this much for me, that is enough. If you have any concern, still if you have any concern about your child's speech and language development, please don't hesitate and go to any speech therapist or healthcare provider, because whatever I'm making, which type of video I'm making, it's all according to my personal experience. Always go to your nearest speech therapist or healthcare provider, they can guide you well. But along with, you can use this type of tips or way at home to increase your child's speech therapy, increase your child's speech and language development. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos. Please share, like and subscribe. At least in this way you can help others. Thank you so much.